Hey there, it's teacher Linda G with a couple of more words related to sports. And this is for you if you are a sports enthusiast and you don't know what vocabulary to use. So tennis. Tennis is a racket sport that's played individually or maybe in a team. So you might be a single player playing against another single player, or you might be on a team of two players. Here's an example of a sentence. Wimbledon is one of the most famous tennis tournaments in the world. Now, one more sport that you may not be familiar with, and that's pool. Pool or billiards or snooker. So a cue sport played on a table with small balls and pockets. Snooker is more complex, of course, and played on a larger table than pool. So I want you to look at these two words, snooker and pool, and let's add one more, billiards. Have you ever played billiards? Have you ever played pool before? Have you ever played snooker before? Check it out.